What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Akeem Sterling here. Now in this video I have here with me the Anker 20 million amp power bank that I'm going to review for you guys. So I purchased this a few weeks back now and I have done an unboxing on my channel about this product. So today I want to just that dog man. Yes, today I want why dog won't shut up. So today Alright, don't pay that no mind. Alright, so today I want to do a review of this product. So I've been using it for quite a few weeks now, probably a week or two. So I'm going to tell you guys what I've been getting out of this power bank. So I'm going to review it for you guys. So if you guys want to see the unboxing of this power bank, I put a card right up here that you can click and watch that video if you want to see what comes in the package. But for now, I'm just going to focus on the power bank here itself. Now this power bank right here is 20,000 million amp power bank. And it's approximately 72 watts, right? So that's 72 watt of kilowatt in this power bank here. That means this is a very powerful power bank that you can carry on a hike. I basically buy this power bank to carry on most of my adventures. I have recently wanted to do some adventure videos where I go out and explore and those things, and having this power bank is something pretty cool in terms of getting power on my phone right here. So in terms of output, this power bank here comes with two external USB port 1, USB port 2, and also in terms of input it comes with two port, which is USB type C and a micro USB port. So this can actually give two input. So this is a power light right here. This is 4 LED blink lights. So when this bar is full, it means that it is fully charged. Look how there it is on here. Scratch it off. Good. Now in terms of the charging time on this power bank right here, this power bank take at least 7 hours to charge. So when you think of it, it's not really a long time. So if you're thinking about going out on your trip or on your journey, you can charge this overnight and have this for at least 2 weeks of charging when you're going on any hiking and things like that. Now in terms of the build quality on this right here is it's made of plastic, but the quality doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It feels strong, right? And it weighs a bit of weight, so it's kind of a bit heavy. But it's just a simple occasion when you're carrying out. It's not as heavy as most of those power bank. And next thing I love about this power bank is the build quality. And here it have some grid right here that you can actually hold on. The back part is a bit smooth, but it's a great power bank that you can carry around, whether in your purse and also in your pocket. So guys, I bought this power bank on Amazon. So if you want to purchase one of these power bank exactly like this, I'll leave a link in the description that you guys can look at and purchase. So it's a great choice and I've loving it so far. Now I have been on different hike. You can see most of my hike videos that I have been on. I have used this power bank to actually power me throughout the day and still have more power left. Now the output on this power bank is 5 volts, but if you are using the 2 USB at one time, you know that it wouldn't produce so much volt as when you're using one USB. So for faster charging and this power bank right here, it's best to use like one port at a time. But if you're using like 2 port, the watt on this will actually cut down, which means that it will slow the time it will take to charge your phone. Now I have used this to charge my phone from 0% to actually full charge. So if you want something like a fast charging, and it shows right on here, so it's fast charging port. So it's a great choice and it's something that you guys should consider having. Yes guys, so this is basically my honest review on this Anker PowerCore Essential. So if you guys like this video, please feel free to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this, and also like this video, comment what you think and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and I see you in my next video. As always, peace out.